Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Roblox executor. First, you need to understand that these tools modify game behavior, so proceed with caution. Begin by researching and selecting a reputable executor from a trusted source to ensure safety and functionality. Before downloading, you might need to temporarily disable your antivirus software, as these programs are often flagged due to their nature. Always re-enable your antivirus after installation. Once you've chosen your executor, navigate to its official website and download the installation files. These usually come in a compressed format, so you'll need to extract them to a new, dedicated folder on your computer. After extraction, locate the installer executable. It's crucial to run this installer as an administrator to ensure all necessary components are installed correctly and have the required permissions to function within your system. With the executor installed, launch the Roblox game you wish to play. Immediately after, open your executor application. You'll typically find an Inject button. Click this to connect the executor to the running Roblox process. Once injected, a text area will appear where you can paste your desired script. After pasting, execute the script, and you should see its effects within the game. When using executors, consider running them within a virtual machine for enhanced security, isolating potential risks from your main system. Always be aware of the potential consequences, such as temporary or permanent account bans from Roblox, as using these tools violates their terms of service. Remember to check the description below for links to other deals and more information. Your safety and understanding of the risks are paramount when exploring these tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.